Using PayPal on Allchinabuy is a convenient and secure way to make payments for your online purchases. To get started, you will need to create an account on Allchinabuy and a PayPal account if you don't already have one. First, go to the Allchinabuy website and browse through the products you want to purchase. Once you have added all the items to your shopping cart, proceed to checkout. You will be asked to log in to your Allchinabuy account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. After logging in, you will be directed to the payment options page. Click on the PayPal option and you will be redirected to the PayPal login page. Log in to your PayPal account using your email address and password. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to link a payment method to your PayPal account, such as a credit or debit card, or a bank account. Once you have logged into your PayPal account, you will be asked to confirm the payment. Review the payment details carefully to ensure that the amount and the recipient are correct. If everything is in order, click on the Pay Now button to complete the transaction. Using PayPal on Allchinabuy offers a number of benefits, including convenience, security, and flexibility. You can make payments from anywhere in the world, at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. PayPal also offers buyer protection, which means that you can get a refund if the seller does not deliver the goods or services as promised. In addition to making payments, you can also use PayPal to track your transactions and view your account history. This can help you to stay on top of your finances and ensure that you are not overspending. Overall, using PayPal on Allchinabuy is a simple and secure way to make payments for your online purchases. By following these steps, you can take advantage of the convenience and flexibility that PayPal has to offer.